Hello everyone. Today we will create a digital dice using 0.96-inch OLED module and ESP32. So first of all, let's connect ESP32 to the OLED module as shown in the figure and then flash the code. Let's go through the code. The downloadable link is available in the description. You can download the code from the description. Now here is a fun challenge for you. Take a look at this line of code. At first glance, it looks like we are generating a perfectly fair six-sided dice. But here is the question. Is this implementation actually perfect? If you think it is not, explain what the subtle issue is and how you will improve it. Leave your answer in the comments on Instagram or YouTube. I will read all the valid entries and one correct answer will be selected randomly. The winner will receive the hardware used in this project, an ESP32 development board, plus 0.96-inch OLED display, and jumper wires, for just ₹1 plus shipping, if applicable. Now compile and upload the code. Yeah, code has been uploaded. Now you can see the project in action. On reset, it will display the ESP32 dice, and whenever you touch the GPIO 4, it will randomly display any number between 1 and 6. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.